Hi, I am Hardik Nayak from Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn handy technique for solving gyroscopic effect on aeroplane problem. This technique will be quite useful whenever you solve the problem. Given data r equal to 50 meters, then v equal to 200 kilometer per hours. So convert into meter per second. So v equal to 55.6 meter per second. Then here plane has a mass of 400 kg, means small m equal to 400 kg. Then radius of gyration equal to zero point 0.3 meter, k equal to 0.3 meter. Then engine rotates at 2400 rpm, means capital N equal to 2400 rpm. So from this we can find omega. So omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. So we will get omega equal to 251 radian per second. So here we have to find gyroscopic couple, that is C, and gyroscopic effect on aeroplane. So that we will see one by one. Gyroscopic couple acting on the aircraft C equal to I omega omega P, means we have to find I, it is mass moment of inertia, omega P. So first find mass moment of inertia, then angular velocity of the precision. From this we can find gyroscopic couple. So here mass moment of inertia of the engine, the propeller, I equal to m into k square. So we have m value and k value. So from this we can find I equal to 36 kg into meter square. Then angular velocity of precision omega p equal to v by r. So from this we can find omega p equal to 1.1 radian per second, that is angular velocity of precision. Then final gyroscopic couple acting on the aircraft C equal to I omega omega p. So from this we can find C equal to 10.046 kilonewton into meter. Here given propeller rotates in anti-clockwise direction and aeroplane take right turn. So this is nose and this is tail. You can also call this is front end and this is rear end. Here condition propeller rotates in anti-clockwise direction and the axis about it is rotating is called axis of spin. And here this is observer. We are looking from the plane from the front, and while looking from the front, this axis is called spin axis. The propeller is turning in anti-clockwise direction. So the propeller rotates in anti-clockwise direction. This rotation indicates the angular velocity of the propeller is denoted by omega. So here right turn for the plane is given. So curl right hand finger along the direction of propeller. So propeller is rotating in anti-clockwise, and here I am curling the finger in anti-clockwise direction. The right thumb indicates the velocity vector. After that, the another axis, which is vertical axis about which plane is taking the turn is right turn, and the axis is called as axis of precision. Now to get the vector this positional velocity, I have to turn this spin axis by 90 degree in this direction, and corresponding to this rotation, this is called active gyroscopic couple, and opposite it would be reactive gyroscopic couple. Now how to get the effect onto the plane? For that, match the right hand thumb with this reactive gyroscopic couple axis and curl the finger. Then curl the finger so the couple direction, and this couple would be this direction. So that couple would be in this direction. Shifting this on this plane like this. So when propeller rotates in anti-clockwise direction and aeroplane take right turn, the effect gyroscopic couple, the tail of the plane is rise and nose get dip. So raise the tail, dip the nose when the plane is taking towards the right. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, please encourage me by giving like this video and sharing your views in comment section below. Please share this video for the other benefits and subscribe my channel. I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.